can I have multiple policies? Now, the answer to this is a little bit more complicated than just a straight yes or no. Now, we'll start with lump sum policies. So there's your life, your TPD, and your trauma policies. These are sometimes the policies that you'll have through your various super funds. They're also the types of policies that you may have taken out external to your super in the event of the trauma. But what can happen is that you'll accumulate multiple super funds and accumulate multiple insurance policies over your working life. Now, in most cases, you will be entitled to claim on multiple lump sum policies as long as you continue to pay the premiums. So what I mean by that, if you've got 5 super funds, each with $100,000 worth of life insurance, and you pass away, assuming that you've told them, or if you weren't asked, if you had any other cover when you applied for them, then you'll be entitled to $500,000 or 5 lots of $100,000 life insurance payments. If you've applied for cover externally to your super fund, they'll ask you if you've got any other policies in place. Now, if they haven't asked you to cancel those policies as a condition of getting the cover with them, then again, you'll be entitled to multiple policies as long as you continue to pay the premiums. The issue starts to come in when you're looking at income protection. So let's say, for example, you had an income of $100,000 and you're working away at the moment. You've got one income protection policy through work for $75,000, and you've got one income protection policy that you've paid for yourself for $75,000 also. Now, in the event of you going on claim, you are not entitled to claim on both of those policies. So 2 lots of $75,000, giving you $150,000, which would mean that you're earning more money when you're not working than when you're at work. So from a common sense approach, you can see why the insurance companies wouldn't do that. So essentially, if you've got 2 policies in that scenario, you're paying for stuff that you won't be able to claim on. And in that scenario, you might like to look at cancelling one of those. But in essence, you can have multiple policies, but it's where some pertinent advice or just checking the research or just asking the question to your insurance company can be really helpful so that you've got some peace of mind on whether or not you are entitled to claim on multiple policies in the event of something happening to you.